Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are at my aunt's house. And if you've ever wondered how it feels to live an organic life with all like living in a farm and stuff, here is the perfect time for you guys. So over here they don't rely on government electricity, they use solar panels. And by the way, we're here in Poland, in Iława, a place in Poland. They grow a lot of apples as well. All of these trees are apple trees over here, and they have greenery, loads of Christmas trees and stuff. Loads and loads of Christmas trees. And if you carry on, they have a fireplace. So if you want to cook your own food without like gas and stuff, here you can set up a fireplace. They even have a grill and everything. More apple trees. And then here there's this greenhouse with all of the tomatoes. There's some really big tomatoes as well in here. And I don't know what those little hedges are, but those are something else as well growing in there. And here they have these flowers, and they have carrots growing here. This is all freshly picked stuff we picked. Some beetroot leaves. They have beetroot, freshly picked beetroot, freshly picked carrot. And here are all of the beetroots. There's a very long line of beetroot. And for you guys, I will pick this onion. Right here, I will pick the onion for your guys' entertainment. So grab it and move it around, and I have an onion. It's freshly picked straight after the soil, no cheats. You can see some spring onions growing on top as well. And they also work with other farmers and grow loads of wheat. This is a huge field of wheat. Like over there they have their neighbor, which is another farmer. They partner with them because they're the owner of the wheat field, because you have direct access. But they share the wheat field and make loads of other things with wheat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys to see you again. Bye!